Hype track vocals always sound like a motherfucker got Tourette syndrome. Like if you not there for the recording of the song and you just hear a motherfucker saying random shit, yeah, yeah, turn up. Sound like somebody crazy. Big shouts out to GLK Ghost, Grammy nominated guitarist and producer Zach Bizarre for having the O on this track, Detroit to the 843. Man, tune into some more of my shorts. I'm gonna put up some more behind the scenes about the track. I even got a debut sneak peek of the track.